Cutting parameters decide the part quality, proper chip breaking, tool life, and tool cost. It is therefore very important that you select the correct cutting parameters that suit the operation, the tool material, and workpiece material. Cutting tool manufacturer has cutting parameters tables in tool catalogs. To decide cutting parameters for an insert, we just refer to the catalog of the manufacturer of the insert. This chart, for example, is from Tegutex catalog for milling using the Mill Rush range of face mills. When you select the type and size of the milling cutter, the insert shape and size suitable for the cutter also get decided. This chart shows the recommended cutting parameters for a particular face milling cutter. For each workpiece material, it shows the maximum depth of cut, the cutting speed range, the grade of insert, and the feed rate range. This chart shows Sandvik's recommended parameters for drilling with the Coro drill Delta C type of drill. For each workpiece material, it shows the recommended grade of carbide to be used, the cutting speed range, and the feed rate range for various drill diameter ranges.